Hi my Ninevehs, hi my angels, welcome back to my channel. I am your lovely host Sibulele Amza and welcome to another video. So from the title of today's video, we are doing another mukbang. I don't know if I am eligible to call these mukbangs because I do not eat a lot of food. I just sample things here and there. However, I will be trying something new to me today and I'm excited to share that with you guys. So I decided that I want to go to Debonairs and try their sides. Okay, so as you guys know, on their menu there's the halal, and then there's the standard where they have all the pizzas and all the different flavors, and then they have the sides. And on the sides at Debonairs they have chocolate brownies, they have wings, and chocolate brownies, wings, pork grillers, cheese grillers, and focaccia bread. So apparently at the Debonairs that I went to, I don't know if this is applicable to all the Debonairs, they said they no longer make the wings, so I unfortunately could not try the wings or get the wings, and I don't have much of a sweet tooth, so I did not want to try the brownie. So I decided to get myself the focaccia bread and the pork cheese grillers. Yes. Now the pork cheese grillers came in a container such as so, and inside we have got, I'll show you guys a picture, we have 10 tiny pork grillers, and the focaccia bread came in something like this, and I thought it would be more bread than it is pizza like, but it is more pizza like than anything. So this is what it looks like. I also got myself a tiny can of Sprite because, once again, the only soda that exists. Argue with your ancestors. Thank you.
Okay.
I also got myself a bottle of water in case I need it. And let's get into munching.
Oh my God! Wow! Oh my God! God have mercy upon us.
Confession number 1 says I was married at the age of 21, got divorced about 2 years later, no kids, I'm currently in a 3.5-year relationship, but I have no desire to get married again. She is my everything and I want to grow old with her. But divorce is so excuse me, so complicated and draining spiritually and financially. She knows I'm not interested in marriage again, but I know there is a side of her that really wants that. We do not talk about the topic much either. One says, we were away with the family for the weekend. And I got caught taking photos of my aunt's feet at the pool.
Funke!
Her husband got mad at me and made me delete the photos in front of everyone. I'm so embarrassed and I never want to show my face again at a family gathering again. Why were you taking photos of your aunt's feet? Why?
Hayi feeling hayi intso ndaqala uyiva phofu ke ndaqala noyibona ingapha kwefilimu ndizibonele ngoku andaba mhlawumbi kukhula napho sibona izinto ngoku.
This one says, I feel exhausted by my girlfriend who talks about horoscopes, tarots and star signs all the time. She's made all this stuff her entire personality. I'm really tired of it. So then why are you still there?
Mic check. 1 2 1 2. Aibo. Aibo. I'm Gomes. Aibo. Aibo. Hi. Fukan.
We live in different cities, so besides me, he doesn't know many people in my city. We also don't see each other very often because of this. The wedding is in my side of the country, which is why he asked me. I need help on how to tell or ask my boyfriend that I want to go. Well, why don't you just ask your boyfriend?
God have mercy upon us.
Call me pretentious, but my biggest ick, a guy that has an Android. Yes, I know it's just a phone, but it says a lot about someone's personality too. I'm willing to tell you, as an Android user, I'm actually offended because confession #4934. That's still almost insult.
Nkulunkulu, I ask it one thing, please. Lightning is the end of it. No more Nkulunkulu. Sort Hlobisile out for me. I beg you in the name of Jesus. Fire!
Clink clink. Listen, that's gonna be it for this video because we were just trying sides. So I think I've tasted enough to be able to kind of give my review. From the Foccacio bread, I think I had 3 slices, and from the pork cheesgrillers I also had 4. I will say that the cheesgrillers are definitely my favorite. I am a big fan of Frankfurters, I'm a big fan of cheesgrillers, Frankfurters, and pork happens to be my favorite meat. So combining cheese with pork was a brilliant idea. Excellent execution, and they're so tiny and so nice and edible. 10 out of 10. Definitely these pork cheesgrillers. I do not remember the actual name of these things. I keep saying pork cheese. I don't even know if that's what's it actually. You get what I'm trying to say. But these are definitely a 10 out of 10. Definitely would buy them again. The Foccacio, I was expecting a lot more. I'm not gonna lie. I thought it would be more bread-like, so more fluffy, but it was as thin as the pizza base, so I do not like thin pizza. So when I first tasted it, I thought, okay, listen, it's giving something. And then as I kind of like ate it more, it just tasted quite salty. It's probably to be expected due to the garlic, because it is a garlic focaccio type of situation. But it is good, but I would give it a 5. I would kind of say it's mediocre. It's yeah, okay. The star of the show was this. She remains the star of the show. And yeah, 10 out of 10 for the pork Cheesgrillers, 5 out of 10 for the focaccio bread. I was really looking forward to trying the wings, but unfortunately they did not have it. But if you guys want to head on over to Debonairs, definitely do buy the pork Cheesgrillers. They're definitely the girl they think they are. Okay, period. And I really do hope you guys enjoy this video and find it entertaining and find it helpful. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, my Nunu berries.